Good day to all. Today again I'm here with some of the Tata shares. We know Tata is a big giant in Indian economy. They are contributing in multiple sectors and there many companies are active when it comes to engineering, when it comes to manufacturing, when it comes to FMCG, IT, metal, means whichever sector you name about, they are in every sector. So today I will go through some of the Tata shares which are down by 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 60%. And with the current scenario when Iran and US are fighting like cat and dogs, nobody is ready to back off. So situation is going to be more or less on the bad side only. Next 3-4 months, it's very critical. So this is the time to pick the shares which are on the lower side and start accumulating in your portfolio, so that whenever market gets indicators of become bullish, you will start getting a handsome return. As we know, this war between Iran and Middle East, US, Israel, they all are involved. This is seriously implicating on supply chain. We know India is 90% relying on import of crude oil, and this war is delaying the lead time. Earlier we used to get crude in 10-15 days. Now it's getting more than that because we are sourcing from North America, then Africa, Russia, all other places also, because this Middle East is too volatile. So you need to keep eye on that also. Considering all the factor, I will take you through some of the Tata shares which are down by 50 to 60% also. You can see, you can do your research and try to get for your portfolio. But again, I want to give a disclaimer that this is not a recommendation. I'm just bringing this episode for educational purpose, because sometimes some good shares, large cap shares you missed. So this will bring to your attention, and then you can do your research, take advice from your advisor and do as it suits you. So let's start. The first share from Tata Group is Tata Elxsi. They are into engineering, designing in automobile sector, then big industrial setups in manufacturing. And if I talk about their current market price, it's around 4160. 52-week high was around 6740, 6740. An all-time high around 1.5-2 years ago was 10,200 rupees. So if we talk all together, it's almost 60% down from their all-time high. Of course, it's a big group, and in-house demand is also on the higher side when it comes to providing designing to automobile sector. So definitely the price will come up, but yeah, little bit time you have to keep. So when you are buying quality large cap shares, that definitely you need to keep time horizon for 3 to 4 years. If you go for the short time, then definitely it will maybe not give return as you expecting. But yeah, for longer period, you will get a handsome return. Now the next share is Tata Trent. They are into retail apparel stores. You know the Choudhary stores. They are opening massively everywhere, and sales is also on the higher side. If I talk about the current market price of Trent, it's around 3,380, an all-time high almost around 8,250 rupees. So from there, correction of around 60% we already saw. If I talk about 52-week high, it was somewhere around 6260. So yeah, this is a good fundamental company. They have a manufacturing, they have stores, sales is okay. Little bit market volatility is impacting the price. This could be a good bet, but again, you can do your research and see if it fits in your portfolio. The next is Tata Investment. If I talk about Tata Investment, they mainly invest in all Tata company other than startups and some new setups. Their current market price is around 584. All-time high was somewhere around 1184. So altogether, if you see, it's 50 to 53% down from its high. Now the next Tata company is Tata Tech, also known as Tata Technologies. Their current market price is around 540 rupees. An all-time high was almost 1250 rupees. So if I talk about the percentage down, it's almost 60% down from its all-time high, and its 52-week high is around 800 rupees. They are also providing technological support to manufacturing plants, automobile sector, and different industry altogether. The next Tata large cap is Tata Communication. Their current market price is around 1400 rupees. If I talk about all-time high, it was somewhere around 2150 rupees. So this is almost down by 30-35%. But yeah, future potential is good because Tata Communication is handling all the undersea fiber optic cables. In US also, they are participating in 4G, 5G transmission and networking and all those things. In India also, they are having some market share. So altogether, it's a good company. But yeah, because volatility is overall impacting the market, so they are also down. Now the next is IT giant from Tata Consultancy Services. If I talk about TCS, current price is around 2400 rupees, which is down by almost 35% from its 52-week high, which was 3710 rupees. As we know, overall there was kind of slump in IT sector due to AI integration and new technology kind of switching over all the companies. But yeah, future, of course, they also need to modify their products and come with the latest AI integrated solutions, and then they can do better. The next is Tata Motors. If I talk about Tata Motors, recently they had split their share between Tata public vehicle and Tata commercial vehicle. So due to that also, there was a split in Tata Motors. But still, if I talk about both the shares, this Tata passenger shares, it's around 310 rupees from high of 509. So this is also down by 20 to 25%. And the way they are bringing new models every 6 months, 8 months, market share increasing, their EV production is increasing. So definitely you can eye on Tata Motors. Now the next is Tata Steel. As metal sector is doing really good, the requirement of all kind of metal is picking up. So Tata Steel had done well in last some months, but still due to this Iran and US war, now it's down by almost 10 to 15%. The current market price is 191. A 52-week high was almost 216 and it's down by 10 to 15%. So this is also a good bet if you want to include in your portfolio. Titan, one of the flagship company of Titan when it comes to consumer goods. So they are also not away from this volatility. Current market price is 3920 and their high was 4378. So they are also down by nominal 10 to 12%. So if suppose you were eyeing to buy in past and due to high price you are not able to take, then this is the time you can keep eye and then see. One more thing I want to tell in between, that whatever fund you want to invest, don't invest in one go because market is very volatile and nothing is certain when this war will end or when ceasefire will get called. So it's a long way to go, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, nobody knows. So whatever fund you have, and if you want to infuse very small amount. So on dip you can buy. Whenever there is a big fall, you can buy some of the shares. So in that way you can do the average also, instead of investing one amount in one time and after your portfolio will go in red. Now the next is FMCG company Tata Consumer Products. Their current price is around 1055 and 52-week high was 1400 rupees. So if I talk about the decline by percentage, it's around 20 to 25%. Tata Consumer, they are in all kind of products. You talk about day-to-day grocery, you talk about salt, you talk about many other things which they are selling. Now the next and the last company is Tata's Hotels. It's Indian hotel company and current market price is 680 rupees. And this all-time high of Indian hotels was around 858 rupees and it's down by 20%. When there is a volatility, when there is a war around, the fear grips the whole system. And due to that, the tourists, they stop moving from one country to another country, one place to another place. And that's why the hotel business is also going to impact now. So just better to watch. And then when it goes a little bit more down, then you can take a call what you have to do. So this I explained you about the Tata shares, which are currently down from 10, 12, 15 to 50, 60%. Now you have to do your research and take a call depending on your portfolio size and which of these large cap and mid cap is in your portfolio, which you want to include. You can take advice from your advisor and go for it. And again, I want to reiterate that this war between US, Israel and Iran, it's going to stay for a little bit longer, means 2, 3, 4, 5, it can stay up to 6 months, the way things are shaping up. So better don't invest all your fund in one go, break it into 10, 12 and small amount, keep investing because this is a good time to invest and build a very strong portfolio. When market will go for a bull run, definitely you can get a handsome handsome return. For more research and informative videos like that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Same time, press the bell icon, so whenever I'm making any video live, you will get access straight away. By the time I come with the next video, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.